as I said, uncover the site of BP measurement. The middle of the cuff should be above the brachial artery. This way, tie the cuff. Cuff should not be too tight or too loose. Turn the instrument on and close the valve. Then feel the radial pulse. Gradually increase the pressure in the cuff till you stop feeling the radial pulse. Then slowly release the valve, which will allow the escape of air, and mercury in the mercury column will go down. Note the point where the pulse reappears. By palpatory method, you get a rough idea about systolic blood pressure. Now measure the blood pressure by auscultatory method. First, you feel the brachial artery, and then place the chest piece of the stethoscope over the brachial artery. Close the valve. Mercury should be at the level of the 0. Then inflate the cuff above the point where you found the systolic blood pressure value. For example, if you found systolic blood pressure at 140, go up to 170. Then gradually release the valve, which will allow the escape of air from the cuff. Note the point where sound appears, that is your systolic blood pressure. Gradually, as the mercury goes down in the mercury column, the sound becomes very clear, followed by disappearance of the sound. The point at which sound disappears, that is your diastolic blood pressure.
PrepClinic. Dream beyond.